Welcome all. Today we are going to discuss about the vehicle body. So basically vehicle body is the superstructure of the vehicle. Vehicle is the combination of body plus chassis. Vehicle body is made up of large number of steel placing parts. The body is connected with number of points, number of joints and rubber joints and felt strips. So basic requirement of the vehicle body is it should be light in weight, cheap, and it should be easy to fabricate. Less number of components should be there. It should have aerodynamic properties. It should have access to the engine and suspension. Then adequate space for the passenger. It should be aesthetic in look. For example, a closed car. In case of closed car, there is a provision of luggage space, then closed bus, then open truck. In case of open truck, there is a provision for the loading and unloading at the rear panel. Then vehicle body uses the welded attachments. So there are some vehicle bodies available in India. These are the some common you can notice everywhere in the on the road. So these are the schematics of the vehicle bodies. So first is two-door sedan, then four-door sedan, convertible, then van. These are the some non-commercial vehicle bodies. If you talk about commercial vehicle bodies, then van, trucks. Again, in case of trucks, there are so many types of vehicle bodies. Truck with half body, then truck with straight panel, then truck with platform, then truck with articulated trailer, then truck with tanker, then truck with damper. Again, non-commercial vehicles are jeep. Again, in case of commercial vehicle, there is a pickup, station wagon. So these are the some schematics of the vehicle bodies. If you talk about non-commercial vehicles, then in case of non-commercial vehicles, there are some hatchbacks, sports cars, sedan cars, Lamborghini, convertible, hardtop, van. There are some commercial vehicle as well, pickup vehicle, then an ambulance vehicle, truck. These are some commercial and non-commercial commonly used vehicle bodies. Now let us discuss some vehicle bodies in detail. So first is sedan type of vehicle. So basically sedan type of vehicle is the three box configuration type of vehicle in which the three boxes are the cargo box, then passenger box and the engine box. These are also known as the notchback, compact, fastback and subcompact compact type of vehicle bodies. These type of cars are long in length. At the rear end, there is a space for the luggage. Commonly used examples are Maruti Suzuki Ciaz, Honda City, Hyundai Electra. These are the common use sedan type of vehicles in India. In case of sedan type of vehicle, it has four doors. Now next is hatchback. In case of hatchback vehicle, there are the four doors and one rear door is there. These are the famous commonly used vehicle bodies in India. There is no excess space for the luggage. You can convert the luggage space by adjusting the rear two seats of the vehicle. So rear door is provided for the adjustment of luggage in case of hatchback cars. So in case of hatchback cars, you have total 5 doors. So commonly used examples in India are Maruti Suzuki Alto 800, Hyundai Grand i10, and Renault Kwid hatchback such as Mini Cooper S3, and upcoming Volkswagen Polo is the noteworthy as well. In case of MUV, the full form of the MUV is multi-utility vehicle. Basically, it is the passenger carrying or goods carrying vehicle. In case of MUV, there is a uh, small small tire size as compared to another vehicles. In case of MUVs, there is a large space is provided for carrying of passenger or goods. 2 to 3 rows are provided for the passenger carriers. So commonly used examples are Maruti Suzuki Iveco, Maruti Suzuki Omni, Destin Geo Plus. The Tata Sumo is again categorized in case of MUV. In case of MUV, the comfort level is not as much as another cars. So comfort level is less. Again, for the long distance route, this type of vehicle are not suitable because comfort level is less. Again, you cannot run this vehicle at high speed because if you run this vehicle at high speed, there is a stability problem because ground clearance is the main issue in case of MUVs. Next is the coupe type of vehicle. In case of coupe type of vehicle, these are the basically sports appealing vehicles. In case of coupe vehicle, there are only 2 doors and 2 seats are provided. These are the high speed vehicles, ground clearance is less, stability is more. You can run this vehicle at very high speed. These are the sports vehicle. So performance and efficiency of this vehicle is more. The commonly used examples are Audi R8, Ford Mustang, and Mercedes-Benz. These are the coupe type of vehicle. Then most famous type of vehicle body is SUVs. So SUVs are basically four-wheel drive vehicle. SUV stands for Sports Utility Vehicle. So in case of SUVs, you can use these SUVs for the off-road facilities as well as on-road facilities. If the irregularity is there on the road surface, then in that case you can use SUVs. For the long distance traveling, the SUVs are more suitable because in case of SUVs there is a wide space for the passenger as well as luggage. So some prominent use of SUV vehicles are in Land Rover Discovery Sports, Mahindra Thar, Mahindra Scorpio, Renault Duster, and Honda CR-V. The Skoda 80 are the some notable uh, vehicle bodies in case of SUVs. So in case of SUVs, the comfort level is good but not the best. The next type of vehicle is crossover type of vehicle. So basically crossover type of vehicle is the combination of SUVs and hatchback. It is the modified version of SUVs. The crossover type of vehicle you can use for the long distance traveling. So wide space is there for the luggage. So main difference in case of crossover and SUV is what? In case of crossover, you have some space at the rear end, just like hatchback cars for the luggage, and the comfort level is more as compared to SUV in case of crossover type of vehicles. So large spaces for the passenger as well as luggage. So commonly used examples are Volvo 60, then Maruti Suzuki S-Cross, then Hyundai i20 are the some notable vehicle bodies in the crossover type of vehicles. Next is the convertible type of vehicle. As the name suggests, convertible, it can be convertible from no roof to the roof vehicle. So it has high speed vehicle. It is also a sports appealing type of vehicle. Some commonly used examples are Ferrari California T, Mercedes AMG, then Audi A3. These are the some convertible type of vehicles. In case of convertible type of vehicle, the comfort level is more. You can use this vehicle for the long distance traveling. Again, as this car is sports type of car, so efficiency of this car is very large. As far as safety is concerned, the vehicle is suitable for the higher safety. Except this type of vehicles, there are some types of vehicle bodies that can be used for the travel that can be used for the carrying the goods and passengers like bus, truck, then ambulance type of vehicles. These are the some commonly used vehicle bodies in India. So this is the information regarding vehicle bodies. Thank you.